business ever best practice, and understanding how money grows is essential. Through this video, we will take you to the fundamentals of simple interest, a key concept of commercial mathematics. We'll explore the formula, its real-life application, and its relevance to the business settings. Join us as we will play a financial planning meeting where simple interest guides smart business strategies. So, good morning team. I've been reviewing our plan to expand our business with a loan. But before we proceed on that, we have to understand what we have going to own in the long run.
Right. I was just reading up on simple interest. It's an easy way to calculate how much extra we'll pay or earn over time.
That's great. So, what's the formula? The formula is simple interest equals principal times rate times time divided by 100.
If we borrow 100,000 at 5% interest for 2 years, we calculate simple interest 100 times 5 times 2 divided 100 equals 10,000.
That means after 2 years, we owe 110,000 pesos. Simple as that.
Okay. So let's use this method to compare different types of loan options. So maybe in that way we can save money.
Now that we've talked about borrowing, so what if we invest 50,000 in a savings account at 4% per year?
Okay. So using the same formula that we have talked about before, we're going to multiply the money that we're gonna own, which is 50,000, into the 4% interest, and then multiply it into the 3 years that we're going to pay it. So we're gonna earn 6,000 pesos. So in 3 years, we're gonna profit 6,000 pesos.
That makes our total savings 56,000 pesos. Not bad.
Imagine if we reinvested money, it grows even more.
Let's show how simple interest can guide both loans and investment.
Plus, it's predictable, no compounded surprises, great for small businesses.
So, after comparing interest costs and investment returns, we can make smarter financial decisions. And yeah, let's go with the loan offering, which is the lowest simple interest, and set aside a part of our profits for our long-term investment.
This is how we grow responsibly. Math really is money.
And understanding the basics like simple interest helps us avoid risk.
I summarize our findings for the investment.
So, business math in action. Mission accomplished.
So, I guess that's it. I hope this business is going to be successful as our previous one. So, yeah.
So, in conclusion, simple interest may be simple, but its power in financial planning is immense. Whether we're borrowing or investing, understanding how time and money interact helps us make informed decisions. This roleplay showed how we, as future professionals, can use commercial mathematics to turn knowledge into action.